Mad for Matte. These are all matte shades. The color that it would be this color and the black. And yeah, one for the glitter, pigment glitter, whatever you want to call it. It's out of the Yes Please ColourPop palette, and it is Butter Cake. Super pretty. Then one other color that made it like orangey kind of looking too. It's out of the Morphe times Jaclyn Hill, and this is the Ring the Alarm palette, and I used a mugshot. So yeah, we're just gonna get started, and it's very simple. And for my eyeliner, I would use the Clinique eyeliner, like, I don't know what it's called, but I don't know where it is, so I just used the Maybelline New York, a Master Graphic eyeliner. It's really thick. Just got some on my finger. It's a really thick pen, but I only use like pens. I don't really like liquids, because I don't really enjoy it. I feel like it's really hard to do, but whatever liner that you're comfortable with, do it. And also, I don't know if I want to do my face. I might do my face, because I haven't done my face in like a long time. I also have another video I'm going to get uploaded, so let's just get to it. Okay, so what I'm going to start off with first is the e.l.f. palette. I'm going to use the British one.
I'm going to put it in my crease. Blend it out, obviously. Obviously, I'm gonna put it in my crease.
Once you have it like in your crease, I also kind of like drag it outwards, because it's gonna be easier when you like clean up and everything. It just makes it look, and you get the edges blended out really well. So now what I'm going to take is the mugshot from the Morphe palette, and I'm just going to put it deeper, like right where the crease is, like literally right where the crease is, not a blending brush, like this kind of a brush. Oh my god, this kind of brush. I'm just going to take it, and I'm going to use it, and I'm going to put it literally right in the crease. And then we're going to take the blending brush and put it kind of on that outside, so you have that orange, red, orange, and it makes...
What I'm going to do is take it on the outer corner and in the outer crease. I'm just going to start off with just like doing similar motions in one part and like bringing it down, so I'm kind of like outlining where I want it. Because this is like it's literally like, I don't know. Actually, that looks pretty good. Oh my god, that actually looks pretty good. Anyway, this eye's coming out better than that eye. I don't even know why. Like, this eye looks good, but like that eye looks so much better. I don't know why. And the glitter, like, just sticking on the top. I'm just gonna brush that away. There we go. So now, now I'm gonna put on some eyeliner. I already told you the eyeliner that I'm using. So I'm gonna put on some eyeliner, and then I'll show you what I'm doing next. It literally looks like this. For concealer, I'm Revlon concealer, and Seaside e.l.f. thing. I don't play 12-hour blush and Festi. I used the Tame & Frame tinted brow pomade in